Hey, what's up? This D God Poetic Swag just coming through. Check out this new piece I wrote. It's inspired by my friend Mercedes. So, check this out. Life storms have me lost in a world of maps, trapped in my ignorance, the wrong inside of me, searching for truth, but these lies are all I see. My reality feels topsy-turvy, I don't even know who to be. D Glove and Deshaun are two separate identities, yet the action of both names is stitched to one being, me, leaving me as the one solely responsible. Good or bad, I'm still held accountable. And on account of love, I played that game like Monopoly, cashing out compliments to obtain these girls like property. But now I see that the gigolo mentality isn't for me, leaving me back at square one, inside of confusion sea, trapped by my lack of self-confidence, my uncertainty. I'm too timid to speak, I think, but I'm too afraid to let my thoughts free. I can't believe that I'm too lost to see that I'm hurting my poetry. But I'm only lost because I haven't accepted my identity. Always trying to change, but part of me must remain, or I'll lose everything and my reality will be nothing more than insanity. So my guide through my being lost will be poetry. Like storms have me lost in a world of maps, but poetry guides me back on track.